Hi everyone, I'm Rod with Johnson RV. We're in the showroom today. I've got Andrew helping me behind the camera today, but really excited. This is a 2021 Unity twin bed from Leisure Travel. These are very hard to come by. They only make so many, and they're in very high demand for obvious reasons. Beautifully made, very well designed. It's like driving a little coupe instead of a big motorhome. Come on in, we'll take a quick look at the inside. When you step into a Leisure Travel, you can tell immediately the quality of this build. I'm going to seat myself here at the dinette up front. With both seats turned around, you can have 4 people sit up at the table together. Notice the beautiful maple wood interior, white Corian countertops, 2-door fridge. It has a separate shower and bath in the back, shower and toilet area, and then twin beds which convert to a large king-size bed, or keep them as twins. Very spacious, open design. Kind of gives you a 2-bedroom small motorhome, so you have some separation when you need it. One of you wants to sleep in, wants to get up early in the morning, you can do it in this quite easily. We hope you'll give us a call again. Andrew Rod at the Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, 503-668-5400.